Cool. All right. Welcome back to another episode of I probably shouldn't spend all my money on this, but it's really fun, so let's do it anyways. I have snagged this at Target. Hops Zacian Xbox. I hope I'm saying that right. I'd be a little embarrassed, but that's okay. Don't at me for not being a true fan. So these just came out last week. I feel pretty lucky to have been able to just snag one from a store. It was at the right place at the right time. But wanted to do an unboxing, so I'll put it up one more time. So we got the giant full art promo. There's the three promos: the Wooloo, Dubwool, Zacian, and then 4 packs. Two of which are Journey Together, which is the new set that just came out. So pretty excited about that. So we're gonna do unboxing, rip through the packs, and see what we get. And oh man, it feels illegal to even open it this way. Like, I feel like if we want to save the box for something cooler, but oh man, I'm struggling over here. There we go. All right, so slide this out. Oh, we froze. Why did we freeze? Hopefully we didn't freeze. Give it a second. Sure. All right, I'm going to give it a second just because I see not responding on my screen. Hold, please. Check, check. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, it very froze. What do I do? Oh, check, check. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. All right, so got the big box off. Let's start pulling these things out. All right, getting into our promos. Oh, then this is the first time I got my 2 camera feeds. So, oh, there we go. There's our Wooloo. There's our Dubwool. Very nice promos. And then this will actually be the first Zacian. Oh, that's nice. Very cool. And then that comes with also, I might have hold this up to the other camera, but the giant card, which these are fun. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. Display them some cool way. But, all right, set that to the side. Oh, we got a little sticker. That's fun. I'll have to find a place for that. And then our 4 packs. So we got the 2 Journey Together, a Surging Sparks, and 1 Obsidian Flames. So let's rip through those, see what we get. All right, we're going to start with the Obsidian Flames. Just because I've already done, I think, at least a few of these here and there. All right, so don't need that. Oh, okay. Flip. There we go. All right. Mawile. Togedemaru. Got a Graveyard. Lechonk. Level Lechonk. Poltergeist. Toadscruel. Ninetales. Cabrawler, cool. Little reverse hollow. There's got to be something good back here, right? Electros. I think that's first Electros. The Gita. Gita is my rare. Okay, okay. And then the basic energy. Very cool. And then we'll just keep it rolling with a Surging Sparks. Kind of like that we got a little more variety for this pack. But also, I am a fan, just getting back into it again within the last month or two. I do kind of like these box sets where, like, you can get something you know for sure you need for the collection, and then you still get some random pulls from the booster pack. So that's pretty cool. All right, Capsicid, Larvesta, like that one. Oh, first Delmise. That is nice. Big fan of Cetitan, one of my favorites from Gen 9. Citadel Cetitan. Got a Registeel. Legendary Hype. Espartha. Victini. Oh, Celio. That's a cooler Armor Rouge than the other one. So I can swap that. Oh, I do love a full art. That is Drasna, the trainer. Oh, that is a 2-star. That could be a cool one. And then, yeah, I'll check that later. And then we have, of course, Basic Energy. Okay, good stuff. I'm going to have to check that trainer card. All right, we are down to our 2 Journey Togethers. So, I mean, this just seems the most appropriate since, you know, it's his box. Let's see what we got. All right, don't need that. All right, got the Sigilif, Billy and Onair, my favorite people that, sorry, I'm actually not super familiar with them. Got a Pancham, cool. Mincino I needed. Super Potion. Got a Corviknight, Banette. Black Belts Training. Another Black Belts Training. Slightly different one. And then, oh, that's cool. Zoroark X. Love the X cards. Hello. Yeah, like that. Like that a lot. Sorry, I'm joined here by some family members. So they get to peek in. All right, last one. All right. Oh, I actually did not have a Caterpie yet, so awesome. We got the Magmar, Wooloo, Beldum, Lokix. Okay, I actually don't know all the names. It's fine. Combuskin. Got a Golem. Oh, very cool Electrode. Another Zorba. That's the like reverse one. Ruffian. Man, we're getting full art trainers. Okay, that's cool. And then the energy. And all right, that is Zacian's X whatever box set. That's what it's called. If anybody got a second of entertainment out of this, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll do it again soon. And then, all right.